Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to cancel your Spotify premium subscription. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, you don't need to open up the Spotify app. All you need to do is open up your phone's browser. Okay, tap on one, wait for it to open. Now go ahead and go to the URL box and type in spotify.com. Alright, once that's done, hit on find or go, wait for it, and you'll be landed to the open.spotify.com website. Now in here, what you'll do is just go ahead and go to the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines or three dots, depending on your device. Okay, in here, make sure to log in, tap on it. Now go ahead and log in with your Spotify account. Wait for it. And then once logged in, you're going to go ahead and go to the top right and tap on the cogwheel or gear icon. Tap on it. Now in here, just go ahead and tap on View Account. Okay, tap on it. Now once it loads, go ahead and scroll down and tap on Manage Your Subscription. Now on this page, you'll be able to see your current premium subscription. Okay, all you need to do is just scroll all the way down and find the Cancel button. Okay, just tap on it, follow simple prompts, and once done, you're good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.